Hi, friends. This is your host, Upesh Jain from the Exec Talk channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that's relevant, that's current, but highly misunderstood by a lot of people. Um, Artificial intelligence, as you know, is a boom that's happening as we speak. And there's a lot of information on the internet through other sources of information. We are all being bombarded by this information. So, how do you decide, who to believe, how to understand this, how to apply this to your life? So it's really important that we talk about some of the myths regarding artificial intelligence. What is true? What is false? So there's many misconceptions, but I've compiled a list of about 10 of them, and I'm going to go through them with you. So number one, AI can think like human beings. This is a misconception that, the AI is going to take over the world. They can think like human beings, etc. This is a false assumption. AI processes data and patterns. It doesn't have human-like consciousness or emotions. So in that regard, AI can never replace human beings in totality. There might be some tasks that human beings do that AI can replace or do better, but AI will never be able to replace human beings uh, in their entirety. Number two, AI will replace all jobs. AI automates tasks, but it also creates new roles and industries. So while there's a certain segment of jobs that might get impacted because AI does them better, faster, cheaper, but there will be a lot of new types of jobs that will come up. So there might be some transformation or metamorphosis from the pre-AI age to the current AI age. But, so some of the human beings might have to modify their skill sets, but it will also generate new jobs. If you look at, uh, previous discontinuities like the internet boom, the industrial revolution, etc., they were supposedly going to take up all the jobs. But as we can see, the 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 world transformed and new jobs were created. Some of the older jobs got, mechanized or more efficiently done. So that applies to this transformation also. Number three, AI is always unbiased. That's not true. AI can inherit biases from the data it is trained on. And, the basic concept of AI is to train a model and then infer from it. So, the biases that are present in the data in the model itself will also manifest themselves in, the inferences that we draw from them. So, AI is not always unbiased. It is biased. AI, number four, AI will take over the world. So while the applicability of AI is huge in many verticals, many domains, medicine, finance, tech, etc., the current AI is narrow and specialized. It's probably not going to take over the world in the true sense of the word. Humans are still going to be responsible for uh, operating AIs, but there will be a lot of information available in a snap at your beckon and call from AIs. How humans consume that will also determine, how they get impacted by it. Number five, AI learns on its own without humans. AI still needs human input, data, and supervision. So humans are the ones generating the data. These data points are collected and fed into some kind of a training model that recognizes certain patterns and then makes certain decisions or jump or certain conclusions and so on and so forth. So AI still needs human input, and uh, AI learns on its own is still a myth. Number six, AI is infallible. So that's not true because, like humans, AI can make mistakes also, especially if the data is flawed. You can look at it as an extreme case of a bias in the AI data or AI inference, because if the data is inherently skewed, the conclusions or the ability of the AI to draw certain patterns will also be skewed, and hence, uh, AI is not infallible. Number seven, AI understands everything. AI does not understand in the first place. It predicts and matches patterns. So whatever you feed it, that's what you're going to get. And in that, it's limited to the data set. And, the larger the data set, the more degrees of freedom it will have, and the more generic pattern recognition it will do. So AI understands what is fed, but not everything. Number eight, AI is for tech experts only. Many AI tools are many AI tools are built for business leaders, students, and everyday users. So in that sense, AI does not need tech experts. It might need tech experts to develop a training model or do research and maybe create a product. But once the product is created, you know, uh, AI can be used by pretty much everybody on the earth. It's a simple prompt. You have so many models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok, who are trained models where you can, query uh, your questions at the prompt, and then that get answers based on how that model is trained. So pretty much everybody can use it. It's not limited to tech experts. Number nine, AI is the same as automation. I mean, in some ways, yes, automation follows fixed rules. AI adapts and improves from data. So if you were to kind of run AI over and over again on the same data set, it would uh, improve itself. As and when new data is introduced or the data set is augmented, it will again improve from that data. That's what you see in, for example, ChatGPT. They just announced the version 5 of it. So there's some earlier models that are not as well trained. ChatGPT 5 is brand new, and you know it's uh, highly trained, and uh, it improves. It has improved a lot from the earlier versions. Number 10, last but not the least, AI will replace human creativity. AI cannot exactly mimic human creativity, but can get close to it. AI can assist in the creativity, but original human imagination and context will always remain unique and will bring its own unique spin to AI. In fact, creativity will become a more pronounced skill as we go further. So these are the top 10 myths in my list that hopefully gave you a better idea of what to believe, what not to believe. Um, AI is a reality, but no need to be afraid of it. There's humans are still valued, and you know, go forth and use AI, but maintain your own creativity. Hope you have a great day, and we will talk about some interesting topics soon. Thank you.